Hi everyone, this is Patrick and we are restarting the Ask Patrick series. So last year we had a whole year of Ask Patrick series. So new year, so we start with the Ask Patrick series and we start with focusing on the cat strikes, right? So basically what the Ask Patrick series is. The Ask Patrick series is where you ask me questions regarding any management entrance preparation or anything related to that. So whatever to my best of my information and knowledge, so I have been there in this particular field for more than 20 years. So I should be able to guide you with regards to the same aspect in terms of how to go preparing, what to do, any questions that you feel that you have a query about, we will be glad to guide you with regards to the same. So the first question, let's start with saying that how do I start preparing for the CAT examination? Right? So I am decided that I want to do a CAT. So how do I go about preparing or start preparing for CAT? So one good way to go about is maybe write a mock. So if you go to any of the websites which are there, I mean, including if you look at pepperpatrick100.com, there also you will get a free mock paper, CAT. So you can pick up the CAT mock paper and write a mock paper. So this will help you understand not only the paper pattern of the examination that normally comes in the exam, okay, it will also help you understand the type of questions and your strengths and your weakness. The moment you understand your strengths and your weakness, you can better plan your preparation because when you prepare, you need to spend more time on your weak area and lesser time on your strong area, but balance your preparation. That is one normal way to prepare. Second is if you have joined a particular class, then it makes sense to follow the class routine one way. So whatever they teach you, please prepare either before the class or after the class based on what they instruct you and accordingly follow their schedule in terms of your preparation. Right? So it helps. So either way, either you start a mock, make your own plan and prepare, or join a class where they have their own schedule, follow the schedule and prepare. But if you normally join a class, it now makes sense to go one step ahead of what is there in the class. When I say one step ahead, in sense like try to devise your own way, own method, own own methods of solving. That is what is important. Because normally in most class, what they teach you is for the mass. So that means the best of methods may not be taught. So in that case, it always is important that you come up with good methods and try to practice on that. So go one step ahead. And apart from doing all this, I mean, preparing for the subjects which is quant, DLR, okay, and verbal, it is very important that you read regularly. Reading is the most important part of preparation. So read, do a little bit of calculations and try to solve puzzles. So I normally recommend these three things apart from your normal subject preparation. So try and focus on preparing on these three areas. I'll come up with the details of this in a maybe future Ask Patrick series or maybe with videos. But do follow me on YouTube and I should be able to guide you with regards to preparation for the CAT job. So welcome and be there.